Hey friends, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 easy Canva slide presentations that will make your videos look more professional and engaging. Let's jump right in. First, open a Canva video project. Head over to Elements. Scroll down to Frames and add a rectangular frame. Adjust its shape, rotate, and reposition it. Now, duplicate it twice, placing one on the left and one on the right of the original shape. Select all 3 and make them smaller. Next, go back to Elements and add your image 3 times, filling each frame with the same picture. Double-click each frame to rotate, scale, and position the images so they align perfectly. Once done, select all and group them together. Scale the grouped images and position them on the right. Now go back to Elements and add a rectangle shape to the canvas. Rotate it, enlarge it, and change its color. Head over to Text, add a text box, write your text, and change the font to League Spartan. Duplicate it for a second text line and add any other text you want. Select both the text and shape, group them, then go to Position and send them to the back. Next, duplicate the page. Go back to the previous page and drag the frames to the upper right corner until they disappear. Move the text and shape to the bottom left corner. Finally, add a match and move. Transition set to 1.5 seconds, and you're done. Here's the final result. Now, let's move on to the second slide presentation. Open a new Canva video project. Go to Elements and add your image. Scale it to fit the frame. Back to Elements. Scroll down, add a rectangle shape. Increase its size. Change the color to black. And decrease its transparency to 70%. Now, go to Text and write your text. Go back to Elements, add another rectangle shape. Adjust it and set its transparency to 0%. Select the text, the first rectangle, and the newly added shape, then group them. Drag the group to the right until it disappears. Now, go to Text, add your title, increase its size, and position it on the page. Head over to Effects and apply a lift effect. Optionally, search for Tropical Leaves under Graphics and add them to the page. Set the duration of the page to 3 seconds. Duplicate the page. Drag the text to the left until it disappears and slightly rotate the leaves to add some movement. Move the shape with the text to the left. Finally, add a match and move. Transition set to 1.4 seconds. And here's the final result. Now for the last slide presentation. Open a new Canva video project. Go to Elements and add your image. Scale it up to fit the frame. Now back to Elements. Search for Fog under Graphics and choose one that fits your project. Add it to the page and scale it to fit the frame. I recommend preparing a page with just your text already edited. Copy and paste it onto your project. Go to Position. Now, select both the image and the fog effect while holding the Shift key, then group them. Duplicate the page and increase the size of the image. Finally, add a match and move. Transition set to 1.5 seconds. And that's it. Here's the final result. And that's a wrap. These 3 simple Canva slide presentations will make your videos more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.